What? I'm crying because the snake died.
You're lying. You're crying because you just got finished laughing.
No, I miss him.
You're so full of it, Kayla. Full of crap.
Okay, maybe, but I'm a great actress.
That you are. Sasha.
No, it was unseen. That's what actresses do. That's what actresses. That is what actresses.
So did you tinkle on yourself?
No. Where did you get that idea from?
When you said, I think I peed.
You're lying.
I have it
Lie
tape
on
recorded, so it
camera.
doesn't matter.
You did not have it tape recorded.
Voice.
You did not have voice.
Yes.
Let
You
me
don't
hear
need the
it then.
camera open for that.
Let me hear it then. What?
Stop putting your brother in a headlock.
I'm not putting. I have my arm around his chest.
How did you have him before?
Nothing. My baby.
Mm-hmm.
Good night, Mom.
But he's like, let me go.
What? Stop. Would you stop doing?
Ah.